Let's learn English through short conversations, with vocabulary and listening questions. At the bank.
Hi, I'd like to make a deposit today.
Sure. How much would you like to deposit?
I want to deposit $200 into my checking account.
Great. Would you also like to check your account balance?
Yes, please. How much is in my account?
Your balance is $1,500. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I'd also like to withdraw $100.
No problem. I'll do that for you. Vocabulary. Deposit, the act of putting money into an account. Account balance, the amount of money currently in an account. Withdraw, the act of taking money out of an account. Now, answer the question. How much money will the customer withdraw? Answer, the customer withdraw $100. At the shopping mall. Hi, do you have any sales on shoes today?
Yes, we have a 20% off sale on all shoes.
That's great. I'm looking for a pair of running shoes. Can I try these on?
Of course. Here is a size 8. How do they fit?
They fit well, but I think I need a bigger size. Do you have a size 9?
Let me check. Yes, we have them in size 9.
Perfect. I'll take them. Can I get a receipt with that?
Sure, no problem. Thank you for shopping with us.
Vocabulary. Sale, a time when items are sold at a lower price than usual. Receipt, a document showing a purchase was made. Fit, how well something suits or is sized to a person. Now, answer the question. What is the shopper buying? Answer, the shopper is buying a pair of running shoes. At the university.
Hi, I have a question about the syllabus for the history class.
Sure. What would you like to know?
How many credits is this class worth?
This class is worth 3 credits.
Thanks. Also, when are your office hours?
My office hours are on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 to 3 p.m.
Got it. I'll visit you during office hours if I need help with the assignments.
Vocabulary. Syllabus, a document outlining the topics and tasks for a course. Credits, units that measure how much work is required in a course. Office hours, times when professors are available to meet students. Now, answer the question. What is the student asking about? Answer, the student is asking about the syllabus, the class credits, and the professor's office hours. At the cinema. Hi, what time does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7 p.m. tonight.
Great. I'd like 2 tickets for that show.
Sure, do you want to sit in the front or back?
We'll take the back row, please.
All right, here are your tickets, enjoy the show.
Thank you. Vocabulary. Showtime, the scheduled time for a movie to begin. Ticket, a document or electronic confirmation used to enter the cinema. Genre, the category or type of movie, such as action, comedy, or drama. Now, answer the question. How many tickets does the customer buy? Answer, the customer buys 2 tickets. At the park.
Let's have a picnic here by the playground.
Can I go play on the swings after we eat?
Yes, but let's finish our picnic first.
I love this park. Can we go on the walking trail after lunch?
Sure, we'll walk after we eat.
Yay! I can't wait to explore.
Vocabulary. Picnic, a meal eaten outdoors, often on the ground. Playground, an area with equipment for children to play on. Walking trail, a path designed for walking, often in natural areas. Now, answer the question. What is the family doing at the park? Answer, the family is having a picnic, playing on the swings, and planning to walk on the trail after eating. At the dentist's office.
Hi, I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Yes, you're here for a checkup, right?
Yes, but I also have a toothache.
Let me take a look. I see a cavity in your back tooth.
Will I need a filling?
Yes, but it's a small one. We can fix it today.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Appointment, a scheduled time to see the dentist. Cavity, a hole in the tooth caused by decay. Filling, material used to fix a cavity. Now, answer the question. What is the patient's problem? Answer. The patient has a cavity and needs a filling.